Look how deep it was. I think you have the longest toenail I've ever pulled out. I've seen bigger, but this is longer. This is the longest. If you like our channel, please subscribe and set yourself up for notifications so you'll never miss any brand new videos. We got another special treat for you today. We have a diabetic who has very, very pretty toenails, but she has an ingrown toenail, so we gotta take extra special care of it, okay? We gotta keep it sexy. Let's take a look. All right, so we're looking at the toe here. All right, see how her nail? See how the nail is directly pinching into the skin? It's really curved in. It's causing the skin to push up against the nail, and it hurts. that was her going. I'm so sorry. So what we got to do today is numb it up. Okay. So first things first. I'm actually gonna come over this way. Alex, you wanna jump over my shoulder and film over my shoulder? There you go. Okay, come this way, come this way. There you go. This is Alex's first time filming, guys. Give him a break. Give him a break.
Where are the instructions at?
The camera on the toe. That's the instruction. Point and shoot. All right. Okay, so injection goes in. We'll raise a wheel. A little burn, right? A little burn. You kind of see the area get a little fat and then gorged with medicine. Okay. And again. We'll slowly advance the needle and drop a little bit of medicine at the base of the toe as well. So plantarly. Sorry for pushing on your toenail.
No. I can't feel it no more.
Already? Oh my gosh, I barely did anything. Okay, so I'll dorsiflex the toe and I'll advance it over to the other side. You see kind of the medicine already infiltrating. You'll see it get fat, right? There, okay. All right, let's go to the other side. Hold on. Tam. So I'll come through this side now. So we're getting the medial nerves. So we're basically creating a roadblock so that none of the nerves can get to the toenail, okay? So we created the roadblock on this side, so now we're creating a roadblock on this side. It's like a DUI stop point. No driving past this point. You can kind of see the medication infiltrating, see that area blanching? Turning white, that means the medicine is infiltrating the skin right there. Okay, so we're creating a ring block, so that's what it's called, a ring block, okay? So, all right, let's let that marinate. We'll get started in a little bit. All right, so tourniquet. Tourniquet, I think it's called a tourniquet, or tourniquet. I'm not exactly sure.
Tourniquet.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm positive.
I don't know about that. I gotta look this up. But you're numb now, right? That normally, I don't know if you guys remember earlier, like I kind of generally pushed her there, and she jumped right through the roof. I shot out of the chair, so I can't do that now, or I can do that now. All right, let's start. Okay. So first things first, we're gonna get this crud out of the area. She said there was a bunch of pus earlier this week, and we might get some today. Are you numb yet? Oh, here you go. A little pus right there. A little pocket of pus. Ooh. Did you say pus. Delicious.
Lunch.
Delicious. Okay. So we're gonna, I got on my pants. Oh, I gotta wash them now. I normally don't wash them, but now I gotta. So we're gonna free this up. Our goal is to get this corner out where it bends down into the skin. And remember, we got to keep it sexy. So she was telling me earlier how she may or may not have gotten it from a pedicure. All right, pedicures aren't bad. Okay, pedicures aren't bad. You just got to go to the right place. You got to make sure they're cleaning your equipment after each patient or customer. Maybe they're sterilizing it too, okay? And to make sure they're cleaning the hot tub spa, whatever you want to call it, jacuzzi, foot jacuzzi afterwards as well. And you know, if you go to a guy or a girl that you trust, you know, they know that you're diabetic, they understand that you're diabetic and know that they shouldn't be digging too dang deep. You know, that's somebody you want to stick with too as well.
That's why when it started bleeding, I'm like, okay.
Look how nice her toenail polish is. It's really nice. Really, really nice. That's why when girls come in and they just got their pedicure, I'm like, you sure you want to get their ingrown toenail cut right now? I don't want to mess up your pedicure here.
It hurt too bad.
Yeah.
I went to the doctor. He's like, oh, you're going to have the whole toenail removed. I'm like, what?
Which doctor? Your primary?
Yeah.
Savages. we're a little bit more humane with toenails here. We only take out the side that hurts you. Oh yeah, look at all that gunk underneath there. All right, so we're gonna slide our 15 blade all the way back just so we get all the way back to the root, the matrix of the nail. And so that way when we pull it out, it's one whole unit. We're not leaving anything back there, okay? You also want to be careful if you're diabetic. She is diabetic, so she did the right thing by coming in. As soon as you see something red, swollen on your foot, something that doesn't look right, you don't wait. Okay, a lot of my patients who are diabetic, the ones that get in trouble and get their toes amputated, they're the ones that wait like 2 weeks. You're like, you know, I'm going to wait and see how this gets better, see if this gets any better in 2 weeks. But by then, you know, by the time they get to me, I'm like, you should have been here 2 weeks ago. And next thing you know, I'm cutting off their toe in the hospital. Oh my gosh, this is one tough nail. Oh.
Deep.
Yeah, it's not wanting to come out. We might have to perform a cesarean section on it. A C-section. Toe C-section. I'm just kidding. Might be a twin. That was really, really deep.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, look. So if you look at the nail polish, that's where the nail, that's the tip of the iceberg. Look how deep that nail went. Jeez Louise. You see that?
Yeah.
No wonder it took so much effort for me to pull out. Okay, so let's clean all the rest of this nail out. We'll make sure we didn't leave any nail matrix in there. We don't want regrowth, right? One and done, baby. I think there's a small piece in there left. I see something, so we're gonna try to fish it out here. There it is. There you go. Okay, you see that?
That was all toenail.
That was all toenail. So I'm gonna cut that out. So infections happen, that's because sometimes doctors leave this in there. And my doctor's me. So I gotta be extra careful taking them out.
I'll tell you, I've been in so much pain I can't even sleep at night.
Really? Jeez. All over a stupid nail. How long have you had this?
Almost 3 weeks. But
3 weeks?
Antibiotics. For 2
Antibiotics? Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, if anybody's out there, if you got an ingrown toenail, skip the middleman, skip the antibiotics, just come straight to the foot doctor.
I was trying, my doctor had to give me a referral. So that's what was tying me up, and I would have been here.
I got you. I got you. You live around here?
No, I actually live in Tampa.
Tampa? You had to come all the way over here for us?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
You were the first one I called and the first one you get me in.
There you go. Always feels good when, you know, there's like a podiatrist on like every corner of town, but you know, when a patient drives across town to see you, it feels good, man. My mom won't even come across town to see me. Sheesh. Like, Mom, you want to come over and hang out? No. I'm busy. I'm like, all right. All right, so this is a little bit of sodium hydroxide. We're burning the root here. There's different ways of applying the medication. Some apply it 3 times, some apply a little bit longer. I do it 2 times and a little bit shorter because I find that it still works. And and does just as well without causing any harmful side effects or complications. She's gonna heal up fine. Look, toe's still sexy. I'm bringing sexy back. Yep.
You can't just cut nothing out. Really.
Exactly, right? Here you go. Let's see. Where's that toenail again? Oh, there it is. It's so long. Look how deep it was. I think you have the longest toenail I've ever pulled out. I've seen bigger, but this is longer. This is the longest. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thumbs up if you like our video. If you don't, thumbs up it anyways. Share it to your friends. And thank you for letting us record. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.